Hi everyone, welcome back. Look at our weather today. It's I think 2 weeks ago when we were out here, all the leaves had changed color, everything was beautiful. The trees are changing color, they are beautiful, but there's hardly any leaves left. Just when we pulled up here, we actually spotted a coyote right over there where we spotted him 2 weeks ago when we were filming the leaves that were coloring. I hope he doesn't come out here when I'm flying, but anyways, we thought we'd take out the Mini 5 Pro and just take her up a little bit and fly around in the snow. It is snowing quite a bit here, but this was fun to just get her up, but you can't see anything. It's snowing so much, as you could see when we went up. You can't see very far. Even on the ground here, looking around there, it's hard to see the lake through the trees. straight ahead there. Okay, anyways, we wanted to do our first flight in the snow. I can't believe it's snowing. It's November the 9th. November the 9th. We shouldn't have snow. But anyways, we do. All right, catch you in the next one.